Whoosh! My shoe just flew right off into the bathtub. Splash! Water goes everywhere. Hee, that was silly. But wait, now I can't find my other shoe. Do you know where it is? Come on, help me look. We gotta find both my shoes before I can go outside and play. Okay, so here's the thing. I need two shoes, right? One for my left foot and one for my right foot. Let's count together. You ready? 1, 2. One shoe is in the bath, but where's number 2? Uh-oh. I race into my bedroom and start looking everywhere. Maybe it's under my bed or in my toy box. This is like a treasure hunt. Yes! I found shoe number 2. Now I gotta put them on. But first, uh-oh, I see a problem. My feet are still kinda wet from the bath water. And my socks? Psst, come closer. I can't find any socks. So I try something silly. I try putting on my green sneakers with no socks at all. Squish, squish, squish. Do you think that's the right way? Nope. That feels yucky. So I wiggle out of my shoes real quick. And now I need socks. Let's count my sock drawer together, okay? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, I have 4 socks. But wait, here's the tricky part. I need 2 socks that match. They gotta be the same. Can you help me find the matching pair? Perfect. 2 red socks that match. Now here's my special trick. And you can do this too. I sit down real comfy, and I pull the first sock up on my left foot. 1 sock. Now my right foot gets the second red sock. 2 socks. Say it with me. 1, 2. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. Now I'm ready for my sneakers. Okay, here comes the fun part. I grab my first green sneaker and slide my left foot in. Whoosh! It fits perfectly over my red sock. Feel that? That's 1 shoe. Now comes shoe number 2. I grab the other green sneaker and... Ready? I slide my right foot in. Whoosh! 2 shoes. Both feet. Say it with me. 1, 2. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. Hold on. I look down at my shoes and I see something shiny. The buckles. Each shoe has a buckle to make it tight and safe. See? There's 1 buckle on my left shoe, and there's 2. Oh, wait, that's another one on my right shoe. So that's, let's count together. 1, 2. 2 buckles for 2 shoes. I gotta buckle them up real good before I can run outside. Yes! Both shoes buckled tight. Now, let me check my whole outfit. I'm wearing my red shirt with the yellow lightning bolt. That's 1 shirt. My blue shorts, that's 2 pieces. My red socks, 1 and 2. And my green sneakers buckled up, 1 and 2. I count. Red shirt, blue shorts, red socks, green shoes. That's 4 things. And it all matches. I'm all dressed and ready to go. Come on, let's go. I race down the hallway. Clip-clop, clip-clop. My shoes making happy sounds on the floor. My feet feel cozy in my red socks and green shoes. I'm bouncing with happiness. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. I keep saying it, because it makes me giggle. Can you say it too? 1, 2. Buckle my shoe. I pull open the door and whoosh! Fresh air hits my face. The sun is shining. And guess what? My feet are ready. I've got 2 socks, 2 shoes, both buckles tight. I look down and I can count everything. 1 shoe, 2 shoes. I did it. I got myself all dressed with both shoes buckled up. Now I can run and jump and play all day. You know what I learned today? Getting dressed is like counting. I need 1 shirt, 2 shorts. Wait, 1 pair of shorts. Ha, I need 1. 2 socks that match. And I need 1. 2 shoes, both buckled tight. It's like the song says, 1, 2, buckle my shoe. Did you help me count today? That makes you awesome. Can you count your shoes right now? So remember, friends, whenever you get dressed, count with me. 1, 2. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. Find your socks, find your shoes, buckle them up tight, and you're ready to go have fun. I'm Max, and I had the best time getting ready today with you. Thanks for helping me count. Now, go find your shoes, and let's all go play. 1, 2, 1, 2, buckle my shoe.